The hype drop is normally 2 weeks out before you go live with the product, and this is how I break it down. So let's just say I have a photo of the garment, or I did a lookbook. I'm gonna post that photo January 1st, 2023. Let's just say my target date for the clothing drop is January 11th. I'm gonna post another photo on the 5th, right? And then when I post that another photo, that's for the lookbook that's coming on the 10th, the day before the drop. So when I drop the lookbook, that's when it's all open for preview. Then the next day, that's when I'm dropping the clothes. But throughout all of those pictures, you have to remember they're not just getting posted on IG. I'm doing an email blast, I'm doing an SMS. So I'm warming up all of my leads for them to get ready on that launch day of January 11th at whatever time that we're releasing new product. So I'm not hitting people unexpectedly. I did a drip effect for them to notice that we do have new product on the way, and we go live with it. It goes crazy. We shut it down after 24 to 72 hours, depending on the numbers. And if the numbers are there, we shut it down. We put everything in the Excel sheet. My production manager, she goes to the wholesale blanks. She places the wholesale blank order. That gets overnight delivered to my screen printer. My screen printer knocks out all the shirts. Throughout this whole entire time, he's working on the shirts. My customer service girl, she's worrying about handling everybody's orders, messed up addresses, things like that. So by the time my screen printer's done with the shirts, he gives me a call. He tells me that they're down the street with the t-shirts. So when everything comes in, it goes right back out to the customer. And that is how you do a hype drop the right way.